हमने श्रुति के संगीत के बारे में बात करी, उनके शुरूफियाना के बारे में बात करी, बट बहुत कम लोगों को ये बात मालूम है कि श्रुति बहुत ही रिबेलियस हैं, बहुत ही नॉटी हैं।
मैं रिबेलियस नहीं हूँ।
आप रिबेलियस नहीं हैं?
काफी नॉटी हूँ।
What do you mean by naughty? What is the definition of being naughty?
If I have to explain it in one word, in Hindi would be खुराफाती।
खुराफाती, that's the word which was मतलब आपको दूसरों के फड्डे में टांग अड़ाने की आदत है या आप जहाँ जाती हैं और शरारतें करती रहती हैं?
शरारतें
हैं?
Yeah, it's nice and cute. It's nothing.
Yeah.
I still remember. I think I was in my 10th board exams, and I was writing my exam. It was the final board exams. I was writing my paper, and I don't know. I was just too lost, and I started singing loudly. Yeah, and the teacher asked me to get out of the get out of the class, and almost for 15 minutes, I lost 15 minutes to write my paper. So.
Science का पेपर है. तू न जान.
Yeah, almost like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But what came to your mind? Because you had no plans to become a singer at that point, right?
Oh no, I always knew I wanted to.
Oh, you always knew that?
Yeah. Since I always learned music and my dad always pushed me to, he supported me throughout, so yeah.
Right. So I'm going to also talk about this beautiful tattoo what you have on your left shoulder.
That is right.
When is it that you got it done?
This is almost a year ago. It's going to be a year now.
Okay. क्या लिखा हुआ है?
It's a Gayatri mantra.
Okay.
The reason why I have this is first of all because since childhood I sleep with this mantra. Second of all, Gayatri mantra stands for power, so I take it as inner strength.
Yeah.
Is why.
You know, as a girl, what do you do except for music?
I cook.
You cook? Wow.
I love to cook.
Yeah.
I think after music.
कभी घर पे बुलाइए हमें कुछ बिरयानी खिलाइए. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. Okay.
So coming back to the point.
Yeah. क्या बात? So that's cooking. Okay. What's next?
I love talking.
You love talking. She loves talking. Fantastic.
Totally. I can go on like.
So isn't that interesting? Oh, you know, I love to listen and I love to eat food, and you love talking and you love to make food.
Yeah, I'm not a big eater.
No, I said, isn't that interesting? So shouldn't we meet often and kind of correlate?
No.
Okay, we can't do that. Okay, edit the part. She said no.
It's okay. I'll call you sometime soon.
Okay, so
maybe.
Keep this. Okay, so how important is an upbringing in a singer's life? What I mean by an upbringing is when you have
the
a musical
background. Yeah, it is very important. Like I have born and brought up with classical music and Hindi music, you know. So I do have a very Indian touch to my singing. You know, even if I'm singing a Western song, since I'm an Indian singer, the influences will always be, you know. But at the same time, when you grow up, you obviously listen to lot of artists, lot of styles of music, you know. You listen to jazz, rock, pop.
You hear all kind of music?
Yeah, I think for any artist, it's very important to listen to different kind of music.
Which one's your favorite genre?
As I said, I'm totally into Indian music. I love it because that's where my soul lies
in. Yeah.
So.
But given an opportunity, would you like to sing the other forms as well?
Definitely, why not? Definitely.
Yeah.
I think for any professional, not just an artist, I think for any professional, it's always important to be ready for any kind of challenge.
Right.
So,
Right.